Good morning, students. Today I am going to start new chapter, algebraic identities, which is a branch of polynomials chapter, algebraic identity. You have studied some identities in earlier classes. First identity is, as you know, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second identity is x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And identity 4 is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You must have also used some of these algebraic identities to factorize the algebraic expression. You can also see their utility in computation. These identities you have already studied in earlier classes. Alpha, so I do not write this identity 1, identity 1 is x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Identity 2, x minus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Identity 3, x square minus y square is equal to x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And identity 4 is x plus y, x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You must have also used some of these algebraic identities to factorize the algebraic expressions. Using this identity, you can factorize the expressions. So these are very important, and some identities are x plus y plus identity 5. Identity 5 is a plus b plus c. Identity 5 is a plus b plus c whole square बराबर x plus y plus z का whole square. X plus y plus z square is equal to x plus x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz plus 2zx plus 2zx. Identity 5, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. And Now some are identity 6. Identity 6 is x plus y का होल क्यूब. x plus y का होल क्यूब इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर वाई, एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस 3xy प्लस 3xy इंटू x प्लस वाई. 6th identity of the algebra is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus into x plus y. And identity 7 is x minus y का होल क्यूब. x minus y का होल क्यूब is equal to x cube minus y cube minus x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. These identities, some more identities are identity 8. Identity 8 is x cube y cube plus z cube. X cube y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 5, 6, 7. Identity 8. Identity 8 is x cube y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. X cube y cube z cube minus 3xyz. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. These 8 identities are very important for you, and you must have already studied in earlier classes. It will be helpful to factorize any expressions of algebra. So you can by heart it. This will be very helpful for you. Identity first, x plus y whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square. In place of x, y, it may be possible any symbol a plus b whole square. In place of x plus y whole square may be possible a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, x plus a. So there will be no change in the product x minus y whole square, x square minus y square, and some more identities are not given in your chapter, in this chapter. So these 8 identities will be helpful to you, and some examples are given given in your book, and example 16 of exercise 2.45 is find the following products using appropriate identities. This sum will be solved for in many methods, by many methods, but I have to say that using identity, you have to solve this question. X plus 3 into x plus 3. Example 16 of exercise 2.5. Example 16. Using find the following product. Find the following products using appropriate identities. X plus 3 into x plus 3. This problem may be solved by multiplying x plus 3 by x plus 3. You will get the result, but I have to say that using appropriate identities. So using appropriate identities, you can write x plus 3 into x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3 plus 3 into x. X plus 3. You have written identities x square x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So using this identity you can solve it. X square plus here value of a and b are same 3. So I have written 3 plus 3 into x plus AB 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So the product is x square plus 6x plus 9. And example अथवा using x plus a into using a plus b into a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to x plus 3. Second method, x plus 3 into x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 का whole square is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. So you can solve by first and second method. Any method you can solve it using. And now evaluate example 17. Example 17. Evaluate x 105 into 106. इसका मूल्यांकन करने के लिए कहता है, इसका मूल्यांकन करें. इवैल्यूट 105 into 106 विदाउट मल्टीप्लाइंग डायरेक्टली. without multiplying directly. बिना गुना किए हुए मूल्यांकन करें कि x 105 into 106. We have to find the value of 105 into 106 without multiplying directly. सीधे गुना किए. To solve this problem, we can write 105 into 106 is equal to 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. Using this identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, we can write it 100 square plus 5 plus 6 into x square into 5 plus x, 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6. Using identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to 10,000 plus 11 into 100 plus 30 is equal to 10,000 plus 1100 plus 30. The product is 0.3031111. The product will be 11,130. So using this identity, x plus a into x plus b बराबर x square plus a plus b into x plus ab 5 into 6, 100 square is equal to 10,000 and 5 plus 6, 11 into 100 plus 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Adding all these, the product will be 11130. So without multiplying directly, you can solve this problem using identity. So now you can try all problems of this exercise, and after that you will go in exercise. Thank you.